People learn how to write from some of the greatest writers in the world. But very few people will ever learn how to get ready to write. Writing is hard.
Quick question, how many of you guys just end up staring at your computer screen and not a single word comes out? Yeah? Show of hands. Guess what, guys? Me too.
Never work on an empty stomach.
We got some chicken, we got some onions, we got some jalapeno. This is writer's fuel.
Connecting with these bright, young minds, it's a blessing. It really warms my heart.
I'm sorry. Did you write a feature film last week? No, you didn't, right? This is writer's fuel. You thinking? Just grab a pizza? Because it's just here? This is freaking pizza. You are funny. You are funny.
You probably don't have anywhere to be for 2-4 days. It means you don't have to be sober. Now, I cannot stress this part enough, but if you do not rest your mind, you will burn out. This is a very important part of writing. This is a writer's secret tool, if you will, is to rest that mind.
Gonna learn how to write today, guys. So excited. You guys are so good.
My name is Vikram Boyral, and this is my masterclass.